I want to talk about ocean acidification. The reduction of the pH of the ocean is caused by the uptake of CO2 from the atmosphere. Normally, 30% of the CO2 is absorbed by the ocean, but the remaining CO2 causes the progressive acidification. pH of surface water is around 8 and will decrease in the future by 0.3. Therefore, the seawater forms carbonic acid and reduces the concentration of carbonate ions. These affect plankton because some plankton have skeletal shells, and now it is harder for them to produce and maintain their skeleton because of the limited carbonate availability for calcification. And CO2 has a corrosive effect, so the invertebrates are more porous. This results in a smaller body size and a lower density of the shells, and makes them more vulnerable, and they die faster. This affects the marine ecosystem, especially the food chain.